What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every day. Today's video is brought to you by our sponsor, XZotto, the marketplace and community app built for car, bike, and truck people. Post photos and videos, buy, sell, bid, and link up at real car meets near you. Download XZotto or hit xzotto.com in the link in our description.
What, man? I'm not stopping. Come on, man. What the fuck? Stop! Hey, relax. Yo, here. Settle down. Hey.
Cops are tasked with upholding the law, but what happens when they're caught in their own misconduct? Here are 4 times when idiot cops realize they have been caught.
Put the bike down, James. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna fucking tase you, dude.
This is an officer from the Lyon County Sheriff's Office. On September 14th, 2023, this deputy responded to an alleged call regarding a strange bonfire near an apartment premises in Friendly, Nevada. When deputy arrives at the scene, he observes an individual named James Gresham leaving the scene on a bicycle. The officer remained proactive in his approach, since the call was from a high crime area. Watch how things escalate between the two.
What's up, my man? Come here. Come here. Oh, shit. Yeah, no, put the bike down. Put the bike down.
Why? It's my bike.
Because I told you to put the bike down.
Why are you stopping me right now?
Because you're riding your bike with no fucking light on.
I'm riding it.
Put the bike down.
Right here.
Dude, put the bike
right
down.
Here. I said, no, fuck
Put
that.
the bike down, James.
Supervisor.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna fucking tase you, dude.
What have I
Get
done
on the
wrong?
ground, James.
What have I done wrong?
562 King. Get on the
What have I done
ground.
wrong? I've not done nothing wrong.
Get on the ground,
I've
James.
done nothing wrong. Am I being detained?
Get on the ground, James.
Detained.
Let
Am
me
I
add
being
a
detained?
subject stop.
Am I being
425
detained?
Willow, white male.
Help!
Get on the ground, James. You are being detained, you fucking idiot. Get on the ground.
I'm on the ground.
I'm gonna fucking tase you, dude. Get on the
Hey,
ground.
I got a light.
Put the flashlight down.
Am I being detained?
Yes.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your
What am I
back.
being detained for?
For fucking not listening.
Why am I
Drop
being
that
detained?
flashlight.
That's not an
Drop
articulable-
that
That's not an
flashlight.
articulable reason for suspicion that I committed the crime.
Yeah, it is. You
It
took
is
off.
not.
Yes, it
It
is.
is not.
Yeah, it is,
No, it is
James.
not.
You
Call
still
your
out.
supervisor.
You still
Call your supervisor.
relax.
No, I'm not relaxing. Call your supervisor. This fucking harassment's gonna stop.
Shut up.
Call your supervisor. I want you to call your supervisor.
I am the supervisor, dipshit.
First
Shut up.
Amendment audit.
Yeah, try the Fifth
First
Amendment.
Amendment.
Shut
First
up.
Amendment audit. You have no reason to stop me right now.
Yeah.
None.
You're riding your bike with no
Zero.
fucking
I
lights
got it
on.
right there in my hand.
It's got to be on the
It was
fucking
on
bike,
the bike.
dipshit.
It was on the bike. I just took it off.
No, I just watched you right away
You didn't
when I
ride-
rolled up.
You didn't tell me to stop. There was no stop. I did nothing wrong.
Yeah, and I told you to stop
I did
right here.
nothing wrong. You have no crime I committed.
562 King.
None.
One detained. 29 on last
Call your
aggression, first and
supervisor.
James.
Call your supervisor. I want to see your supervisor right now.
Shut up!
I
Yeah.
want your supervisor.
What'd you ditch over here?
I want your supervisor. I'd like your supervisor, sir.
Okay. Well, I think he's down at the jail.
I'd like your supervisor, sir. I need to speak to your supervisor now. This ain't happening.
Yeah.
I want
You still on court conditions, James?
I want you. No, I'm not. I
No?
don't have any court conditions. None.
Huh?
None. Zero. I've not committed a crime. You have no reason to stop me.
Yeah, I did.
This
When I
is
told you to stop.
I'd like to stop your.
Yeah.
I stopped when you told
Yeah,
me
if
to
you
stop.
fucking arguing with me.
I'm gonna argue
And
with
I had to
you.
pull my
You
taser
have
out.
no reason to stop me.
Yes, I do.
None. What?
Yeah.
Not committed a crime. No misdemeanor, no felony.
Yeah, James, it's called riding a bike without a
I
headlamp.
got a headlight right there. Relax, man. How you doing? All right?
I was only 30, yeah, literally about 35 max. It just sounds loud, it's not fast.
Drive license.
Yeah. Lost me bleeding reg plate there as well. Huh?
How you doing in public road?
It's insured.
Is it?
You're insured until 2 days ago. No, that's the money at the converter, literally. Just pulling against the wall, yeah? Fuck, I got pulled over. Hello.
How are you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing good. Are you recording?
Yeah.
You have your driver's license with you?
Yes, sir. Can I get off my back?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright.
How old are you?
15.
15. Okay. The reason I pulled you over is because those red lights you got on there, you can't have red lights on there.
Oh, are they legal?
Yeah, you can't have anything, any lights like that that are red or blue.
Oh, I thought if it was red and blue mixed together.
No.
Okay. A little difficult.
Where do you live at?
I was heading home from my cousin's house. We had dinner.
Yet?
Do what?
You ain't cold?
Oh, I'm a little bit chilly.
A little chilly.
We had dinner at my cousin's house. Was heading home from there.
Alright. Yeah, I don't know. Do you have a switch on there? You can just turn those off?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay. Yeah, just turn them off.
All right.
You're good to go.
All right. I didn't know if it was ever legal because I mean I passed it on with some cops before, and I didn't know.
It teaches on. I mean, sometimes some cops pull you over for it. Sometimes some of them won't. You know.
Yeah.
It's just one of those things. But yeah, I just wanted to give you the heads up on it.
All right. Yeah, I'll drive them off from now on.
All right.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right,
Have a good day.
Park over here. All right. How's it going, sir? How are you?
Where are you going, sir?
Back home, Santa Cruz.
Hi, Santa Cruz.
Yes, sir.
You have a resort?
Huh? No, I have a house. I have a house there over
Already at Santa Cruz,
in here. What's that?
You live already at Santa Cruz?
For about 7 months, yeah. Yeah, we've got a house, a little business, internet cafe. In here, I shouldn't have too much, just rain suit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, guys. Hey, thanks for setting up a checkpoint, man. Make sure y'all are safe out here. You know, it's all.
All right, right lane. Come on. Yoo-hoo. Uh-oh. 3 cops.
Go to the listed spot. Oh shoot.
No, we're good. He kept going.
Duck.
Oh, we have the right. We go. He's on you, Cardi. I don't know, but he's following us. Should we just pull off? Let's pull off and act like we have to fix something. Why?
Can I ask you a favor?
Yeah.
Can you turn the camera off? I mean, I'm not trying to do anything funny. It's
Yeah. Thank you.
What's up, bro?
God damn it, dude.
up, bro? How you doing, dude? Chilling. Speeding around. Yes, sir. You already know. Thanks, homie. Yes, sir. Yeah, you always gotta have it on. Exactly. Just in case. What are you doing? Where are you heading to?
My place right around the corner.
Oh. Oh, nice, nice. Just getting off work, heading back to my place. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You cut through this all the time, like the attitude, dude.
I live right in the south.
See ya. God damn it.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop. And if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.